Hi everybody, once again this is Jeff in Vancouver in June of 2020 with a Prevost H345 series coach, and we'll just going to show you a couple things in here. Coming up the stairs we have a little compartment here. Sometimes the driver might keep extra paper towels or cleaning supplies. If you're wondering where the fire extinguishers are, they often are under the front right seat, but sometimes they can be under the front left seat. And of course we have the first aid kit. It's right up here. It's in the silver box right there. Now sometimes the fire extinguishers are also up in the overhead bins here. Most of these tour coaches these days have a roof vent. In the event of emergency you need to get out. There's one at the front and one way back there at the rear end of the coach. And of course you just simply give these a good hard shove. They will go up. If you need to escape, you simply follow the instructions, which is to turn this red handle here or knob, and then you give it a push, and then you just again push here. In the event of emergency needing to open the window, from the other video we learned that not all windows are emergency exits. You see the little man with the arrow on it right there? So, okay, it's not this window either, but it's the next window. And it's simply placing your hand underneath this lever. This lever runs all the way back here because this is one main big window. You lift this up and you give it a push and the window opens. Remember, these windows have a big heavy windows. There's a hinge at the top, so it's almost better to have someone holding the window open while the other person climbs over and down the wall and goes to the ground. To shut these windows, you simply let it slam shut, push that down. That is how the emergency escape windows open. So perhaps not the first 2 or 3 windows, but certainly eventually you get your hands in the windows where it does say emergency escape, lift up, push, and you're on your way.